Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the MUSTAR digital piano, specifically the 88-key semi-weighted model designed with beginners in mind. This full-size electro piano keyboard comes packed with features, including a stand, case, sustain pedal, and USB MIDI connectivity, all in a sleek black finish. One of the standout features for anyone starting out is the 88 semi-weighted keys. These keys are touch-sensitive, meaning they respond to how hard or soft you play, allowing for a more expressive performance. Playing heavily produces louder tones, while a gentle touch results in quieter sounds. This touch sensitivity is crucial for developing proper technique and getting a feel for dynamics, making it an excellent starting point for new players. It's definitely presented as a thoughtful gift option for children, friends, or family looking to learn. When it comes to sound, the MUSTAR digital piano aims to provide an authentic experience. It features 64 demo songs, 8 different tones, and 128 preset rhythms to explore. The sound is delivered through 2 built-in 25W stereo speakers. The piano utilizes a Dream sound source, and the inclusion of a metal sustain pedal helps make the sound quality feel more realistic and rich. For convenience, players can also use Bluetooth to play or pause songs directly through the piano speakers. The piano is also equipped with powerful educational features. It offers a dual tone mode, which allows users to layer 2 different voices, such as piano and organ, simultaneously, encouraging creative sound exploration. Connectivity options are robust, including a 6.5mm input for the sustain pedal, a 3.5mm stereo headphone output for private practice sessions, and stereo outputs for connecting to external speakers or amplifiers. It also supports various auto accompaniment functions like single-finger chord recognition, multi-finger chords, synchronization, and modulation transfer selection, which are helpful tools for learning and playing along. Further enhancing its functionality, the MUSTAR piano includes multiple convenient settings. A dual earphone design is a practical addition, allowing 2 people to listen simultaneously, perfect for lessons or playing duets without disturbing others. The USB MIDI connectivity is a key feature, enabling the keyboard to connect with smartphones or computers. This opens up possibilities for using educational apps or music software for more interactive learning or playing experiences. Additionally, a record playback function is included, allowing players to easily capture their performances with just a single touch, which is great for reviewing progress or sharing music. Overall, this MUSTAR digital piano appears to be a well-rounded instrument designed to support beginners on their musical journey with its combination of realistic feel, diverse sounds, and helpful features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.